Are you a professional turf installer? You know the importance of precision and efficiency in your projects. That's why you should rely on Landscape Designer Turf software to streamline your workflow and ensure accurate results every time. With Landscape Designer Turf, you can easily calculate the exact amount of artificial turf needed for any project. This tool saves you time and reduces waste, making your installations more cost-effective and avoids misunderstanding with your customers. Instantly get all the necessary quantities needed: number of rolls, area, perimeter, tape, glue, sand, anti-weed membrane, pegs, nails, etc. Customize the parameters as desired, as well as the print layout with desired values, and export in PDF format. The advantage of getting artificial lawn quantity and waste results in real time allows you to quickly find the best possible laying layout. Landscape Designer Turf gives you the ability to customize all the necessary parameters. You can adjust the length and width of artificial lawn rolls, you can set the layout direction, extra roll length, etc. And you can do it in real time and get the results in real time as well. An additional and valuable tool is the function that allows you to choose the side of the area from which to start with the laying of the artificial lawn. Landscape Designer Turf works also with Mosure. They simplify the planning process, allowing to focus on delivering high-quality installations that meet your clients' expectations. By adopting these innovative tools, you stay ahead of the competition and ensure your business remains profitable. The time saved on planning and measuring can be reinvested into growing your client base and expanding your services. Embrace this technology to enhance your efficiency, accuracy, and client satisfaction, and watch your business thrive in the competitive turf installation industry. Visit artificialgrass-calculator.com and download a free trial today. Landscape Designer is available for Windows, Apple Mac OS, and Android.